Number 1 from your study guide. You should recognize this as something that looks like definition of derivative. We want to verify that it works. I would have the trig chart above me. So this is the part of the trig chart that really matters for this one. It appears that my function might be f of x equal to 3 cosine squared of pi over 4. Or sorry, not of pi over 4, of x. And it also appears that this might be the derivative of this thing at pi over 4. So at x equal to pi over 4. Notice if I plug in pi over 4 right here, then I get the cosine is this. So I've got root 2 over 2 squared. What I want to do is I want to figure out if that 3 over 2 right here is what I get when I plug in pi over 4 to this function. If it is, then I know this is definition derivative for the function pi over 4. So I square it, I need to multiply it by 3. This root 2 over 2 I know is 1 over root 2, which when I square it, I get, when I square it, I get 3 times 2 over 4, which is 3 times 1 over 2, which is 3 over 2, which is this. So therefore, boom, I know that this is the definition derivative of that guy up top, that f of x at pi over 4. So now what I can do is derive that thing. So I'm going to find f prime of x. And then I'm going to do is plug in pi over 4 to that, what I get out. So I do power rule on the cosine. That gives me 6. So I'm multiplying the 2 by this. Cosine of x. Notice the cosine went down by 1 power. Now I got to do my chain rule, my guts rule on the cosine. That gives me negative sine of x, like that. So I'm going to put my negative out front like that. So that's what my derivative is. Now I just need to plug in pi over 4 to this. So I'll go to purple. So I want to find f prime of pi over 4, which is negative 6 cosine of pi over 4. We just did it. It's root 2 over 2. And then sine of pi over 4 is also root 2 over 2. So I get root 2 over 2 again. Over here on the right, I just multiplied root 2 over 2 by root 2 over 2. And that gave me negative 6 times, I get 2 over 4, which is negative 6 times 1/2, which is just negative 3. So my answer is negative 3. That's the derivative of that red function up top at x equal to pi over 4. That's it.